But I remember the first time the sword went down, it just literally dropped, and people often ask me, what did it feel like? And the only thing I could compare it to is, you know, Sigourney Weaver in the movie Aliens. When you see something moving inside, that's what it felt like. And then there was another time when I did it, I was so impressed with myself. I was in the house on my own at the time, which was ridiculously stupid, because if anything went wrong, how are you going to phone an ambulance with a sword stuck down your throat? So I remember one time I tried it, it was on the first week of learning it, when I actually succeeded. My throat kind of retracted, and I couldn't pull the sword back out. And I could feel the saliva running down my throat, and I was beginning to choke on the saliva. I was and it was just a matter of relaxing. And once I relaxed, the sword came out. Anyway, I'm going to swallow this sword. It's 24 inches long. It's actually it's going to go down my fallopian tube, past my ovaries, into my stomach. I am a man of science. Now, people think it's a trick sword. It's not a trick sword, so we need to get somebody here to examine it to make sure it is in fact real. And this man here, sir, would you mind, just yes, with the coffee cup, looking like you're another hard-working journal employee. So I'm just going to get it to, hang on, just stay still for a second. Can you see this? Yeah, hang on, just hold still, don't do anything crazy. So you can see it's a real sword. We're not screwing around here today. Joking. Fake hair, real sword. Have a look at the sword. Your face for a moment. Okay, to prove it's real, stick it in her eye. Is it a solid piece of steel? It doesn't roll up, and it's not telescopic. You can tell it's not telescopic because the handle is narrower than the blade, so there's nowhere for the blade to go. I'm going to swallow this, and you guys over here have the best vantage point, because when it goes right down, you're going to see a little kind of pokey around the back there. Okay. This is so not suitable for the journal audience, isn't it? Right. When I do this, don't leave me standing here like a complete tool. Maybe clap your hands or something. You might want to put down your coffee, sir. You'll end up in casualty alongside me. And given the Irish health system, you'll probably take priority over me. Okay, here we go. Come on, people. There we go. Woo! Yeah. Just another day in the office.